Hey guys, hope everybody's doing alright today. I'm going to take this pen, which is new old stock Lodge. It has some rust on it here, had some rust on the inside. I'm going to take it and run it under extremely hot water, scrub the heck out of it, trying to get all the wax off of it. And then we're going to re-season it and see how it turns out. But it should turn out good, but lately I've run into some new old stock stuff. Most of it, if it's in good shape, I just take and clean it good and then oil any spots where the wax isn't, protecting it anymore. But this one had too much stuff on it and some nasty stuff inside, so I'm going to take and see what I can make it look like. Alright guys, I'm pretty sure I got all of the wax off of it. I scrubbed everything, got all the rust and stuff off. Thankfully the inside came out really good. We'll get this thing oiled up and we'll see what it looks like when it's done. Hi guys, not sure if you can tell, but she's oiled up, ready to go. Took and oiled it down with canola, and then I took and wiped it with a dry t-shirt to get it to where it looks dry, but it's actually wet. Got in there real good. I actually like this logo, I think, more than even the one that they use now. I don't know, there's just something about that one that I like. So we'll see this one after it gets done. Hey guys, took and got the big Lodge down here ready to roll. And then I decided to go ahead and oil down my 9, 10, and 8 Wagners are on top. Those are the ones from my collection. And then on the bottom is that double arc that I did. Just do some extra seasonings on them to make them look a little better. Alright guys, here she is, all cleaned up. I did 2 coats of seasoning on it because it turned dark quick. Everything looks good. Let's see if I can put this thing spun around, show you the inside. Everything looks pretty. Did a good job on it. Well, I hope everybody has a good one.